All right, final question, Damon. Fun question for you, but why do you love being a cyber professional, and why should people want to become a cyber pro?
I mean, for me, it's kind of like I talked about in the beginning. Like I love to solve hard problems, but I love to help people at the end of the day. And so this is an industry where we can do both. The problems don't get harder. I mean, than this. This is it, you know, if we solve really hard problems, then immediately the bad guys adapt and they go to a whole nother vector, and then you have a whole nother set of hard problems. And so I love that. I love solving hard problems. I like hard challenges, but I really love being able to try to help people respond and protect themselves from this kind of thing. And so to me, if you have if you have an interest in helping others and in serving others, and you have an engineering bent, right? Or you're really kind of focused on cool technology problems, it doesn't get any better than cyber.
I love it. I actually started in philosophy and then went a whole different path with a bunch of other things, but the philosophy side of me wanted to fix problems and solve things, and so it brought me back to cyber. So it's been great.
Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, if you want to think big about some of the big problems, we have a lot of them here, right? In cyber. So